Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the surface and getting essentials done quickly. First, plug in and confirm the battery charging icon so updates won't fail. Once connected to Wi-Fi, sign into your Microsoft account and set up Windows Hello for fast, secure sign-in. Make sure to run Windows Update and install Surface firmware and driver updates now. These fixes improve stability and battery life. After updates finish, restart so changes apply, and proceed to personalize settings for performance and power. Once basic setup is done, personalize the surface to match how you work. You should tweak display scale and touchpad sensitivity so gestures feel natural. This reduces friction during long sessions. Next, manage storage by enabling OneDrive Selective Sync, organizing local folders, or adding an SD/secondary SSD if you need space. This avoids slow drives filling up. Finally, optimize power settings. Pick a balanced or battery saver profile. Adjust the battery slider and restrict background apps to extend runtime without sacrificing risk. To finish, add accessories and safety nets so your Surface is reliable. Pair your Surface Pen and Bluetooth peripherals, then calibrate pen input and button mappings. This makes drawing and navigation precise. Create a USB recovery drive, enable BitLocker for encryption, and schedule regular backups so data is safe. If something goes wrong, try a soft reset first. If persistent, use the recovery drive or reinstall Windows. Make sure firmware and drivers are current before more drastic steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.